Only you can complete this world. Every home, every heart, every feeling, every moment of happiness is incomplete without you. Women. We are cute daughters, sweet sisters, darling wives, adorable mothers, source of strength. We are women, an epitome of beauty, wisdom, and care, most beautiful of God's creation, who knows the art of living and loving. World is dreamland. Women's Day is a day which reminds we are always special. Let us rejoice ourselves being women. To all the women out there, a very happy